This is the Spectur system install in under a minute. First we come in, dig the hole and install the first part of a 2-part pole. We level it and then we put in the concrete. While that's drying, we install the promotional signs on the fence. The next step is to put the mounting bracket onto the upper part of the pole. Then we lift the system onto the bracket and bolt that into place. The next step is to mount the battery. Once that's complete, we attach the solar panel and orientate that to the north. Finally, we wind the 2-part pole to its maximum height. Then bolt that into place. And that's it. Your Spectur system is up and running, ready to go to protect your property.